Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this course on how to use email marketing to do affiliate marketing, to create an affiliate marketing business. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about how you can set up an account on JVzoo. JVzoo is one of the best affiliate marketing platforms in the world for digital products. So let me show you JVzoo. Okay, JVzoo.com. This is the place where we want to go. Okay, and this is how it looks like. You can see here that you have the option to free sign up. Okay, you just have to click on this button, free sign up, and then you just have to register. Okay, you give them all of these details, verify account, select a way to get paid, and you will then have recommended tools. We won't go through the whole process because it will take some time. I declare I'm a citizen of the selected country. So you have to fill in all of these details. Okay. And then when you are going to log into the actual platform, you'll also have to fill in like a specific type of tax form, which tells you if you are an US citizen or if you are not. So if you have to pay taxes in the US or if you don't. So that's one of the places, and after you are done with that, you are going to be able to promote offers as an affiliate. So we won't go into details on how to fill in all of this information because they are just fields that you need to fill in. Verify your account by email. Obviously, we are going to log into our account so you guys can see exactly how to find affiliate offers and how to use it. Okay. And this is how it looks like. We haven't promoted anything lately on this, but the whole idea is this: you'll have here a menu, affiliates. And what you want to do is find products. Let's go to find products. And bear with us for a couple of seconds. And here in the product section, what you want to do is order them after the launch date. So you click on launch date. And you have to order them after launch date. Okay, and some of them you will see that they are basically in advance because they haven't been launched already, but here you go. For example, done for you video agency reseller license. Okay, and you can request approval. This was launched on the 16th of December 2019, so a day ago when we are recording this video. And how can you promote this product? And here you can see that you have different badges for the vendors, and we recommend you to look into these badges because they tell you some things about the vendors. You want the vendor to be a reputable one with good products, so you don't have problems in promoting his products. Premium seller, Mario Brown, a very well-known marketer, has been featured as product of the day. So this product has been featured as the product of the day. That means it's a renowned product and a lot of affiliates are promoting it. Top 1 ranked seller, very good seller. Products in the funnel, you can see how the funnel is made. Affiliate contest, you can participate and earn even more money from the affiliate contest. So if you drive, some offers have affiliate contests and if they are in the launch period, and if you drive a specific number of sales in the launch period, you can also earn some extra money besides the affiliate commissions. Endorsements, okay, from different people. So this is a very good seller, so we recommend you to promote this seller. Okay, now how do you request approval? You just click on request approval, and I'm not a robot. Request affiliate approval, and we are done. Basically this vendor has set us on automatic approval because we are already affiliates on the platform. We have a specific number of sales, so we can be trusted. For new affiliates, it's a little bit harder because you will probably have to write something to the vendor to approve you because you don't have yet a track record. Okay, so you will have to write to him, okay, I'm a new affiliate, please approve me, I'm a serious guy, and so on. Okay, that's how you get approved for these offers. And after you got approved, you can get your affiliate links and put them in your emails. You just click on get affiliate links, you copy and paste your affiliate link from here, and you insert it in your email that you are sending to your list. And whenever somebody from that email who reads that email click on this link and buys the actual offer, let's see how the offer actually looks like, you'll get a commission for the sale. Okay, pretty easy, not complicated at all. So this is the sales page. This is how it looks like. Full resale rights included. Okay.
Imagine being able to instantly sell 3 enterprise-level software solutions and marketing services to your prospects and clients. Imagine having your very own reseller panel for each software, where you can add and manage clients quickly and easily, allowing you to resell premium software services starting today. Imagine getting paid month after month for tangible services that your clients will love you for.
They will be redirected to this page. They fill in all the details. They pay with PayPal. And after the pay is done, you get an affiliate commission for the sale. So this is how you can use JVzoo. Now, in the next lecture, we are going to show you exactly how you can create an account on Warrior Plus as well, and on ClickBank as well. Thank you very much for watching.